Number 1, vintage band tees. If it looks like it survived 1994, then grab it. This is from a German band. It sold for $250 on best offer, complete with holes. Number 2, 100% linen anything. If it's wrinkled, even better. That's proof it's real. This dress from CP Shades 100% linen sold for $75 on best offer. Number 3, Patagonia fleece, especially the ugly ones. The uglier, the better. This cinchilla with fish went for $165 full price. Number 4, Levi's 501s. If they're button fly, don't hesitate. These 501 button flies, even covered in paint, went for $53 on a best offer. Number 5, wool sweaters. Check the tag. If it says 100% wool, even blends. Cha-ching. This is a wool acrylic blend that went for $55 on a best offer. Number 6, Y2K baby tees. Tiny, cropped, chaotic, they'll sell. This one went full price, $75. Before we get to this next one, if you want the exact brand list that has helped me make over 100,000 flipping used clothes, it's linked in the description. Number 7, Harley Davidson tees. Bonus points if it's got graphics on the back. This one with keywords of gangster, gun, and mob went for $55 full price. I'm only wearing black until Harley makes something darker. Number 8, men's Western shirts with pearl snaps. This one with hops. Grew up in the hop fields, who knew? This one went for 100 bucks. Number 9, Lululemon anything, even if it's not athleisure. This is a men's blazer that went for $65 best offer. Number 10, vintage Nike. If it's got a big swoosh, faded logo, or center swoosh, done. This hoodie with the center swoosh went for $110 best offer. Number 11, leather jackets. We're talking real leather, not pleather that smells like regrets. This one went for $120 after an offer. Number 12, Doc Martens. Scuffed is fine, worn is fine, they're supposed to look tough. These even have chewed up tabs at the back and they still sold for $75 full price. Number 13, Free People oversized sweaters. If it looks cozy, it's probably profitable. This hoodie with a bear design went for 98 bucks full price. By the way, if this is feeling overwhelming, this is exactly what we fix inside of the Empowered Reseller. We simplify reselling so you can stop second guessing. Just click the first link in the description. All right, number 14, Pendleton wool. Think blanket vibes, grandpa chic. These continue to sell year after year. This wool jacket went for $346 full price. Number 15, maxi prairie dresses. Cottagecore just refuses to die. This dress, unbranded, went for $106 best offer. Number 16, Carhartt. Workwear is fashion now. Wild, I know. This Carhartt with Aztec design went for $260 after an offer. Number 17, vintage Disney. The wilder, the better. This long sleeve with tie-dye print went for $116 after an offer. Number 18, Birkenstocks. Yes, even used. Yes, really. These with fur lining went for $60 on a best offer. Number 19, Champion reverse weave. Check that tag. If it's got a logo on the front, even better. This one with a Lincoln swim team logo went for $200 best offer. Number 20, Western boots. If it's real leather, snip toe, unique design, sold. This is from the brand Corral and it went for $110. Number 21, cashmere sweaters. If it's 100% cashmere, it sells. This is a size small from Ralph Lauren and it went for $162 on a best offer. Number 22, graphic crew necks from the 90s. The more random, the better. This is one from the Grinch that went for $85 after an offer. Number 23, shapewear. It's not slowing down. This is a Spanx bodysuit that went for $55 full price. Number 24, mom jeans. If it's high rise and taper legs, it's retro gold. These are from the brand Rockies and they went full price, 65 bucks. Number 25, cargo shorts. Men gotta have them. This camel pair from Abercrombie went for $55 full price. Number 26, faux fur coats. Dramatic? Yes. Profitable? Also yes. This is from the brand Basic Editions and it went for 70 bucks. Number 27, flowy boho tops. Think Johnny Was energy without the Johnny Was price tag. This is from a Rata Silent Journey and it went for 100 bucks. Number 28, vintage sweatshirts with cities or states on them. Tourist core is a thing. Just kidding, but maybe that'll be the next hottest keyword. This Hanes sweatshirt with Sitka and a totem pole on it went for $99, even with the collar being worn almost all the way through. Number 29, overalls. Denim, corduroy, it doesn't matter. This is from JCPenney's and it went for $125. Turns out department stores are a thing. Check out this video. Number 30, Eileen Fisher silk. These are what I call minimalist money. This slip dress went for 80 bucks on best offer. Who said petite small doesn't sell? Number 31, Athleta leggings. Comfort sells. This pair went for 50 bucks, full asking price. Number 32, vintage varsity jackets. If you see them, grab them. This one went for full asking price, 180 bucks. Craig, if you're watching this, we got your jacket. Number 33, bandanas and silk scarves. Small buy, easy flip, easy ship. This equestrian themed scarf from Ralph Lauren went for $107 after an offer. Number 34, Whimsy Goth. If it's got the look, the brand don't matter. This Whimsy Goth dress from a little known brand called Currents went for 72 bucks. Number 35, bras. Yes, even used. This one from the brand Prima Donna went for $69 after a best offer. Number 36, leather handbags. Feel it, smell it. If it's real leather, it wins. This bag sold for the full asking price of 100 bucks and it doesn't even have a brand. Number 37, chunky knit sweaters. Grandpa Core prints, even better. This one went for $316 on a best offer. Number 38, platform shoes. Y2K strikes again. These Skechers jammers went for 99 bucks, full price. Number 39, vintage blazers. Think boxy and shoulder plaids. This corduroy blazer from Polo Ralph Lauren went for 65 bucks after an offer. Number 40, high-rise shorts. Whether they're denim or activewear, it doesn't matter. These are from Alo Yoga and they sold on best offer for 50 bucks. Number 41, wool coats. If they're heavy and they're structured, then they're winter gold. This is a bomber style wool coat with heavy wear that sold for $300 after an offer. Number 42, flannel shirts, especially if they look like they were used to chop wood in 1998. This is a Filson flannel plaid shirt that went for 104 bucks. Number 43, athletic skirts. Tennis core is alive and well. And yes, that's a keyword buyers are searching. This is an activewear skirt from Lily Pulitzer's activewear line called Lexletic. It sold for 50 bucks. Number 44, distressed denim jackets. Cropped or Sherpa trim, even more profit. This is a blanket-lined Storm Rider jacket from the brand Lee, and it went for $95 on a best offer. Number 45, maxi skirts. Think flowy, earthy, and boho. This one from Ralph Lauren with the keywords of teacher, equestrian, and hunt scene went for 135 bucks after an offer. Number 46, vintage windbreakers. If it's got bright colors and loud patterns, then it's a yes. This windbreaker from Nautica went for 67 bucks after an offer. Number 47, leather belts. Thick, Western statement belts, even without a buckle, can be valuable. This tooled leather unbranded belt without a buckle went for 50 bucks, full asking price. Number 48, Y2K graphic hoodies. These are the kind of thing that bring in steady money. This is a hoodie from the brand Billabong and it sold for $110 after an offer. Number 49, academia. Think preppy, plaid, and pleats. This wool pleated skirt with an academia look went for $79. Number 50, anything that makes you say, wait, that's kind of cool. Bold stripes, fringe from Woolrich. This went for $427 full price. Trust your eye, style sells. I'm LeeMeier. I've made over 100,000 flipping used clothes and I help people just like you simplify reselling and make more consistent sales. Make sure to check out the Empowered Reseller. It's the first link in the description. Keep on listing to freedom and peace out.